Today on Smackey's Garage, we're going to be adding the OEM tailgate damper to my 2018 F-150. This is a really easy project that pretty much anyone can do. All you really have to do is disconnect something, take your tailgate off, put it on, and that's it. All you need is the right tools. And this is what we're trying to avoid. So let's go ahead, let's look at what we're going to be installing. On the lower trim level F-150s, they did not come with this installed. So this is a tailgate damper that we're going to put in. And we're going to be trying out the OEM one. I previously run one that goes right there, the DZ one that connects from there to there, but I wanted to move to one that's a little bit more protected in the inside. Now to install this we have to do a few things. One, we're going to have to go under there and disconnect the cable that's going to the tailgate, which passes through in the center right there. And then two, we're going to have to take these off so we can just lift the tailgate up and off of the truck. And then we need to make sure we have a good place to put the tailgate so that it doesn't get damaged. I'll probably slide mine in the bed. Now under here, under the center of the truck, you just look and it's going to be right in between the spare tire. So that's the connector we're going to be removing. And the easiest way to find it is just look what's coming from the tailgate up to here. And then all you really have to do is push on it and then it should just easily disconnect. So just push on that little pin right up here and then pull. Now you can see it's removed. We're going to go ahead and fish that through there and just pull it to the other side so it's out of the way. Now to get the tailgate off, all we have to do is take a small screwdriver, pry this open, and then pull this off. We're gonna have to do the same thing on that side. So to get that out, to get the tailgate out, I just have to put it here and then pull the tailgate out. So it has to be in this position to pull it out. And that is the thing that we're gonna be replacing, and it's gonna be replaced by this. Now, easiest to do with the flat-bladed screwdriver, so just peel this up, lift this a little bit, and hold it up with your foot, and then that side's out. Then we just have to do the other side. So same thing, lift, peel this back. Now the tailgate's free. Go ahead and lift it up. Then I'm going to pull it towards me. And it's actually not that heavy, so you can do this yourself. Now this here is going to be a T50, so I'm going to go ahead and remove both of these. Interesting thing to note, these are both Ford OEM parts. You can see it says Ford there, this one says Ford on there, and this looks like a nylon material, where this is an aluminum, metal, steel material. Interesting they chose on the lower end models to go with this plastic material versus metal. Now with those two out there, we're going to go ahead and remove the tail lights. So it's going to be one bolt there to get access to where that's going to connect. And the tail light's going to come out. Now we're going to go ahead and look in here. You can see we actually do have the provision for this. So I'm pretty sure all the trucks come with this. So all I really have to do is put this piece back on and then we should be okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take the OEM piece that I purchased. I'm going to go ahead and slide it in here. Turn it to the right direction. So we're going to take it, slide it in here. Then we'll put these screws back in. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this first, and then we're going to go ahead and get this in. For these bolts, they originally had thread locker on them, so I'm going to add thread locker to it. Looks like they had a red on it. I'm going to be using blue. Use it on both of them. So you can see the paint behind this that's missing. I'm going to make sure that this is in the same location as the other one that I took off as I tighten it. Now we're going to go ahead and put this on, and you can see that one side is angled. This is the side that's going to go to the body of the truck or right behind the headlight. So we're going to go ahead and put this side up and connect it, and this side's going to connect to the bottom. Yeah, so you can put it in place with these spring clips on. So I went ahead and got that bottom on. Now I'm going to go ahead and push this top piece in right here. And everything is in place. Now, I just need to drop the tailgate back in place and then connect. So left side is going in first. And this needs to be at a 45-degree angle to get in. And then we'll just drop right in. Or should just drop right in. May require some force. Then while I have that on, I'm going to go ahead and just put this clip back on. Go ahead and do this other clip. It's the same thing. And we have a tailgate damper. I'm going to fish this through before I shut it. Then let's go ahead and watch it work and test it out. Then we're just going to go ahead and put everything back together. I'm going to check to make sure my taillight works. Then this should be it. Should be as easy as just opening it. Then when I open it, it should just fall down slowly. Other than that, works exactly like it's supposed to. Thanks for tuning in this week on Smackey's Garage. I'll see you next time.